Good day everyone, it's me CJ. In this video we are going to create an Arduino Light Dimmer and Strobe light with adjustable speed settings with the control of potentiometer in Tinkercad. So let's begin!
I got broads in Atlanta, just took the lean in the family, credit cards and the scammers, getting the licks in the band, legacy.
Okay, so what do we need here is muna ni siya tanan, all set na. We need LED resistor set to 470 ohms. Our potentiometer 50,000 resistance ohms. And also we have a jumper wires. Muna sila. Okay. So we have 5 volts and a ground connection. And also this one and this one para sa atong LED light. And this one is our analog. Analog enables us to read value between 0 and 1023. And it is very useful for our blinking light. Magamit natin na siya. So our potentiometer has 3 pins. This one is our input voltage, and this one is for our ground pin, and this one is for our output voltage. Okay, kana input voltage na siya. So as you can see, connected siya from 5 volts dalong sa atong input voltage. And this one is our pin 11. Connected siya sa atong LED anode via resistor. Okay, so all set na. What we need right now is our code para mo-blink siya. And we have already code here. Kita ninyo, no? Muna yung code nato before sa first video nato. Android Light Dimmer. So ang atong buhaton karon dimmer siya at the same time strobe light. So naga-blink siya. So siya atong buhaton. Okay, so let's put a analog right LED pin for our pin number 11, and also this one. And let's change the delay into pot value, and this one going to put delay also here para inigpalong niya na pa siya delay. Okay, start simulation. Okay, we have a error. I think we must change this one into a low para mapalong siya. Nothing will happen if it stays. Okay, so let's start simulation again. Okay, there's an error. I think what LED pin is not declared. Oh, so mali atong LED pin, it's a lowercase l. So kailangan natin i-change. So that's it. I think wala na siya error. And let's go. Yan. Oh, kita ninyo right. So back to beginning. So magkita ninyo, oh yun, paspas kaya blink, no? And nagkahinay yang blink o nagkakusog po ang iyang light. So nga to buhaton karon si reverse na to. Ay remember no ang atong ang ganina ang atong, what do we call this one? Ang atong analog pin mag-receive siya og value between 0 to 1023. So ang pinaka-top 1023. So ang atong buhaton is ingani 1023 minus what value. So what value 1023 minus 0 is okay. So ingani no. So from 1023 nga kuan nga delay ang tod ang top na niya ani karon ma-reverse na siya into 0 delay. So makita ninyo ang strobe light effect. O kanang murag wala na lang siya nagkuan ba, wala na siya nagblink pero nagblink gud siya. Naglihok ang LED nato ana ay naga-blink. So as you can see no, yun makita nato ang difference. And then magkahinay pod ang light sa atong LED. At the same time ang delay time ning taas ang delay time. Ang delay time yun. I think mora ni tanan. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you've learned something sa atong video nga akong gihatag karon, the Arduino Light Dimmer and Strobe Light. So hanggang dito na lang po tayo. This is CJ again. God bless and keep safe everyone. Thank you so much.